Part 2 of the stapeliiformis project. Going to be much easier. This one is not even going to involve much repotting. All it is going to be a little bit of root hormone. Be generous with it. So cheap that you might as well go crazy. Okay. And then first I'm going to bury it quite a bit. Okay, I'm going to bury it quite a bit. So, oh shit, damn it. Okay, I'm going to bury it quite a bit. Let's see. It's always tricky when you have to rebury a branch, but it is what it is. I'm also going to put rocks on this. Now, some of these branches are so little, I mean, I don't even know if they'll make it, but I've got root hormone. I'm going to put them in anyway because there is nothing to lose. You might as well give it a go. And if it does branch after months, who cares, right? Might as well. Like, they were there anyway. They were just little clippings, little nubs that grew in the side, but they looked like they were reversion, so I wanted to correct them before they actually became proper reversion branching. There we go. So there we go. Now I'm gonna put some stones. Same principle, I put the stones for heat sink, helps weigh down the soil. There you go. Now we have extra vines. Extra vines.